Hello, my name is Robert Decker, and I am your Client Services Manager. This video will discuss Exhibitor badge registration. You will not be emailed a link to register, but you will be directed to register via the Exhibitor console. If you do not know what the Exhibitor console is, please watch my short walkthrough video on the Exhibitor console before trying to register yourself and booth staff. Once you're logged into the Exhibitor console, you will see a link on the left-hand side that says Get Badges. Once you click on that, you will end up on the registration portal. If you have not opened the registration portal quite yet, you will be prompted to answer 5 demographic questions about your company before seeing the main section. Those questions will ask if you as the primary contact are attending, what your company's primary business category is, what your company size is, your company's yearly revenue, and what products you manufacture or produce. If you have already logged in, you will be prompted with this pop-up of a couple of important updates for 2026 as opposed to prior years. These updated sections will be discussed later on in the video, so you can X out of that pop-up. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see several options in your side panel navigation. We are going to focus only on the exhibitor registration drop-down menu for today. Let's start with the roster. The roster will show you the list of staff that have already registered and will allow you to edit or delete your existing badges, purchase upgrades, and retrieve visa invitation letters if needed. Next, you will see the Register Staff tab. That will register staff by simply asking for name, job title, and email. New for this year is the badge type. You will see either staff or company attendee. Staff will grant access to the show floor during setup, show hours, and teardown, while company attendee will only grant access during show hours. The main reason for this change is that you are only allowed to register 25 staff-type badges beyond your allotment, but the company attendee type is unlimited. Both the company attendee and the over-allotment staff badges have a fee, which increases as we get closer to the event date. Next, you will see a tab to register previous personnel. If you have exhibited with Expo West before, it will contain a list of previous staff, which you can import with a simple checkbox. Lastly, you will see the Upload a File tab. This will allow you to download a template, fill out the names, job titles, and emails of your staff, and then upload that file into the platform. After a quick review page, they will be imported into your roster. The Upload a File function will only allow you to register within the staff category, not company attendees. In prior years, we did offer a guest registration category. This has been replaced with the Invite Your Customers/Business Partners button, which will be discussed in greater detail in a future video. I hope that this video tutorial helps you navigate the Expo West exhibitor registration portal. If you get stuck or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Client Services team at esk@newhope.com or call 866-458-4935. Thank you.